The Syngenta corn litigation involves the commercialization by Syngenta of genetically modified seeds that were approved for sale in the United States, but not in one of our most important foreign markets, China. As a result of Syngenta's commercialization of those seeds, China stopped taking U.S. corn for all practical purposes, and the price of corn that U.S. corn farmers received was lower than it otherwise would have been. And I was appointed one of the co-lead counsel in the country to lead the charge on behalf of farmers against Syngenta in that litigation. After several years of taking depositions all around the world in this case and reviewing and coding millions of documents, we tried the first trial in the country in the Syngenta corn litigation. It was a trial before a federal judge in Kansas City, Kansas. And after a 3-week trial, the jury returned a verdict of $217.7 million on behalf of Kansas corn farmers. $217.7 million was the precise amount that our experts had determined that Kansas corn farmers had lost. So the jury returned a verdict for the exact amount that we had asked them for in terms of compensatory damages for Kansas corn farmers. So after the jury verdict of $217.7 million, the courts that were handling these various cases across the country directed the parties to try to get together and resolve the case globally on behalf of all the corn farmers in the country. And the parties did that and ultimately achieved a $1.51 billion settlement of the litigation. The reason that we believe the settlement is certainly fair and adequate for the class members is that it's a large sum of money. It avoids the risks of appeal and ongoing litigation. This litigation could have gone on for another 5 or 10 years. And this provides a lot of money right now to farmers who need it at this point in time.